In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix usable RAM less than installed RAM. So first, go here and type msconfig. Now go to the system configuration, go to boot, and then advanced options. Here you need to select number of processes and then select the maximum. So for me here, I'll just select like 6 or 5. And then you're gonna click maximum memory. Here, what you're gonna do is go to this PC and then properties. Now here, this is where you see the installed RAM. So mine is 32. You might see like 4 GB or 8 or something. So remember this number. So what you need here is go to Google and type 1024 times 32, then press enter. So you'll get this number. So all you have to do is just copy this number. You might get a different number because you have a different installed RAM. And just place this number here, like just paste it here. And then you want to click OK. And then click apply and then OK. And it might ask you to restart your computer. So restart it and this should fix the error.